Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by JuliaHair. Of course, before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also, turn those notifications on because you do not want to miss out on any of my videos. And I will be showing you guys today is their 13x4 body wave wig. This one is in the length 22 inches, and then the density on this one is 180% in density. You do get your soft Swiss lace on this one. You get 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Just showing you guys the parting space area. And then you also do get a pre-plucked hairline. The hairline on this looks really, really good. They also slightly bleached the knots in the front. The knots on this wig aren't big at all. So I think you will be fine with just washing it and then adding whatever type of tint spray you want to match your skin tone, or if you wanted to just add some powder or foundation into it. But the hair looks very, very nice. Now for today, I am going to be using this Parwin Pro Beauty. This is a 8-in-1 interchangeable curling iron set. I've been waiting to get one of these because the last one I had broke, so I've just been using like an affordable one, but I like to change mine out, so I'm happy that I did get this one. So I just want to show you guys everything that comes in this set. So in the box, they do include 2 hair clips. They also include a heat-resistant glove and also a travel bag for you to store the wands into in case you are traveling and you just want to pack them up. Now, your girl likes to be a little rebel sometimes and not use the glove, but this thing does get hot, so I'm going to end up having to use it. And then that is where you put the wands into. You do get a nice long cord, so you don't have to worry about a short cord not being able to reach. And then these are the 8 sets. Now, online, they do have the 5 sizes because some people might be like, I'm not going to use all 8 of those. So you might want to look into the 5 sizes if you need to, but they pretty much have a wand for every type of style, and then you just kind of click it into place and lock it. This does heat up to 450 degrees, and it takes less than a minute for it to get hot. When I say this thing gets hot, it gets hot. But what I love about this is you can dial it up and you can dial it down, and then you can lock your temperature into place. There has been plenty of times I have been curling my hair and I accidentally shut off the curler, and then I have to end up putting it back on, but this one locks, so I thought that was really cool. So on to putting the wig on. So this is what the unit looks like after it has been washed. I did go ahead and spray some of my Ebin New York tint spray in the medium brown just in the very front area. I've been trying to do that a little bit lately so I don't have to really add too much powder to the front of my units, and so that my units are already set. I'm gonna have to go around my ears and cut off some of that lace so that it can sit on top of my ear properly. You don't want that hanging over your ear. And then I am going to work on cutting off the lace. Now, once I cut off this lace, guys, you can already tell that it looks really good already, and it's not going to need as much work. Now, it is coming off a slightly bit darker on camera because of the tint spray, but once I set everything into place, it's going to match me perfectly. Today I'm going to be using my bed head hard head spray. Yes, I did purchase the bigger one, but I still have a lot left in my travel size, so I'm going to be using this up until it is empty. And I'm just going to go around the hairline. I'm going to take my rat tail comb and just kind of press everything in because I don't want that lace to roll up. And then I will be using my blow dryer to speed up the process. And then I'm going to go around the ears and do the same thing. Now, that one side of my ear, the hair just did not want to stick. So if y'all see it popping up later on in the video, just don't pay no mind. Just look at the hair. Just look at the hair, because it is going to pop up. It was just giving me the blues. Everything is dried down. I'm just going to pull out some hairs on the side and cut them down shorter, and then just create some soft baby hairs. I'm not going to do this in the very front of the hairline, just only on the side. So it's going to be really quick and easy because it's like swoop, swoop, and then I'm done. So then I am going to be creating a middle part look today, and I've just got to make sure my middle part is together. Now, this is only 13x4 inches of parting space again, so you can't go too far back, but I feel like the parting space looks fairly good considering I did not pluck out any hairs in the parting space. Just took the wax stick and I'm going around the parting space area and just at the top and just kind of pressing everything out because we want our units to lay very, very nice and flat. And then off camera, I went ahead and added my wig grip, and then I just tied my hairline down. That way nothing won't pop out of place while I'm curling it. But you guys see how long this hair is, so I'm gonna have to speed this up because it's gonna be long if I try to curl all of this, you know, in real time. But I'm just wrapping this around the wand curler. I am going for big curls, so I don't remember what curling wand size this is, but I'll leave that running across the screen. But this is usually the wand curler I like to go for because I like for my curls to be really, really big. Of course, when the curls get older, they fall into this nice big loose wave, which is what I absolutely love. That's always the look that I like to go for, like a nice loose wave. Now, I did not use the glove on this side when I was curling the hair, but I eventually will put it on because this thing does get very, very hot and I was burning my fingertips. And then of course, because it was my first time using it, I had to learn how to hold it a certain way. Because with each product, you know, I get used to it and I already know how to hold it and which way to hold it to not burn my hands. So I ended up having to put the glove on. One thing about this wand curler is that it does have auto shut off. So if you aren't using the wand curler within an hour, you don't pick it up or anything, then it will automatically shut off, which is a good thing, especially if you are always messing around with hair. Then it's just going to shut off because sometimes I do forget that some of the products are on. You can find this wand curler on Amazon. Y'all know we love to shop on Amazon. That's where most of my products come from. So I will make sure to leave all of the products that I am using in this video down below in the description area if you guys are interested. Just want to let you guys know that it did take me a while to curl this hair. For one, it's 22 inches, and then on top of that, this density on this was thick. When I took it out of the package, I was like, oh yeah, she's thick. When I started to run my fingers through it, and then once I washed it, I realized she was still thick. Sometimes when I wash certain hair, it kind of, you know, it doesn't look as thick, but this one was still thick, so it did take me a while. So I'm just going to compare what the one side looks like not curled up to the side that is wand curl. It split the hair even when I was curling it, so I'm just showing you guys how much hair I still had left to curl. So I just curl the rest of it off of camera. I'm taking my wig grip off, and then I'm just going to use my hot comb just to kind of press everything back. Like I said, I want this to be nice and flat. And the look I was going for, I wanted the hair to kind of flow back, so when I did the curls, they would kind of look like I had layers, because I did not cut any layers into this hair. Now I'm just going to go in with a little bit of powder, more so in the parting space, and just a tiny bit around the hairline, so will help kind of matte down the shine that the spray left behind around the hairline. So now I'm just going to go in with the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and I'm just going to run it throughout the hair to kind of break up the curls. Also focusing on the ends because the ends were coming off a little bit frizzier than I would have liked them. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and just comb everything together. And as you guys can see, the curls are coming together. Now I did notice on my ear by that one side that the lace was trying to lift up on me, but I also did not spray a lot of adhesive, and I should have pulled that side up a little bit more, but it's okay. It's still gonna come together. Guys, this is the final look of this unit. This one does go all the way up to 26 inches and it starts at 10. You can also get this in another density if 180 is too much, because this hair is very thick. They do have it in 150%, and you can also get this in the 13x6 lace front versus the 13x4. Hairline straight out of the package look good, but I like to go in and make mine look as natural as possible. So I lightly went in and plucked out some more of the hairline. Now that is something you don't have to do, because when I say I was very light-handed, I was very light-handed. I did not go hard with plucking out hairs in the front. And then that is what the parting space looks like. Now this parting space is short, but you do have the option, like I said, to get the 13x6, which is really good. I did not receive a lot of tangling when it came to this unit. However, I did run across some shedding when it came to this unit, even in its natural state, more so while it was curled up than when it was in its natural state. So guys, let me know what you think about this look, and if you are feeling the wand curler, I'm going to make sure to leave links down below to the wig and the wand curler. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.